Welcome to another one of our videos regarding our 2.7 release for OSLC Connect for Jira. In this video, we're going to focus on some of the error reporting and kind of enablement for the enterprise that we put into this release. We've been working with teams for a long time on doing deployments, and what we found is that teams need a little bit more information, a little bit more friendly information when they're trying to do their deployments. Oftentimes it's around friending between applications, so how do we connect from one server to another. There's a lot more information behind the scenes that we have and we've had available for a while, but oftentimes they required us to be able to go grab logs, things like that. We want to be able to make this easier both for you to do yourself, as well as if you have questions, you can engage us much more readily and without some extra effort. So I'm going to go through and give you an example here. Friending is oftentimes the place where we get the most questions, and so we did some big improvements to be able to kind of ease and give you more guidance, more information. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and add a friend here. Oftentimes when we add friends, we might just paste some information here. Obviously there's a little bit extra space here just to be able to make it some more obvious. And let's actually put this in the right place. Let's put this in the URI location. So this is actually my CCM for Buffalo server. And I'm going to just give it a secret just to be able to add a friend. What you're going to see here is I have some extra spaces here. Sometimes it's usually one. It's hard to be able to see. What we're going to do is be able to give you some more formality here in terms of giving an actual error message here, some details about it. If we want to show more details, what's nice is we're going to give you more information. So that in case you need to connect to our support team, you're going to get some more details about why something had failed, that you can share that information directly, whether it's a web share, whether it's a screenshot, whether it's some additional information. This gives you details in terms of what actually happened in the web traffic, what actually didn't go through. And in this case, we've added some verbiage here that should clue you into what you actually need to be able to change and what you need to update. What's nice, after I close this window, it's going to come back. I could go ahead and delete those spaces and be able to go create those friends. But let's kind of show a few other situations that we've seen that's pretty common. A situation maybe I forgot and didn't put the full root services name there. We're going to give you some more details and saying, hey, we actually can't find that information there, so it's an incorrect location to be able to go find that. It might be, and we're obviously going to have some more details here. You're going to see it's a 500 error because it can't access that information. We might be able to do some other things here as well. Say if we made the mistake and actually tried to use HTTP instead of HTTPS. We're going to get some more information here to be able to say, hey, this is a protocol difference. We should use HTTPS. It gives you that hint, gives you those more details to be able to communicate on. Again, you can go and ask for some more details and get that from us when you go ahead and do that. And we can interact in many different ways. And what we try to do is help you identify, do you have a network issue? Do you have incorrect text that's actually put in that root services? This is what's happening in all the different interactions that we have over our web traffic. We're going to give you that English direct message about what actually happened. And then if you want to have more details, you can dive in further and be able to get some more context in terms of what happened from a lower level layer. And you can share that with our team, or more oftentimes, share with your own network team. They're going to give you guidance. You're going to be able to resolve and get on using the product much quicker. If you have any questions, let us know. Obviously, if you want to be able to try the product, request a trial for those of you that already have the product. We do encourage you to go to the marketplace, do your upgrades, and get access to these latest features. Thank you very much.